Why is her name such a handful? Patricia Bright. Patricia Bright. Patricia Bright. Ugh. So Patricia, like her name is such a tongue twister. Patricia Bright. Patricia Bright. Patricia. Welcome back to my channel. How is everyone doing? I hope we're all doing good. I hope we're all keeping safe. Please, let's keep practicing proper hygiene. Let's keep doing what we're doing so that we can, so this virus can end. Like, guys, we need this. I know everything will not get back to normal, like it was, but at least let's just have that similitude of, everything being normal. Like, so guys, if you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Celine. Welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe before you leave. It's like the red button here. It's absolutely free. YouTube will not charge you, and I most certainly will not charge you. So please join my family. Let's have fun. Let's enjoy this YouTube ride together. Let's just I don't know. I don't even know what I'm saying again. So please don't forget to subscribe, and also there is a bell button beside the subscribe button. Please be sure to click that button so that you can always get notifications whenever I post up a new video. So when a new video drops on my channel, you get the click, you get the notification. So guys, today's video I am going to be doing a review. I am going to be doing a review on, drum roll please, I am going to be doing a review on the Revolution Patricia Bright Rich in Life Shadow Palette. Wow. Like guys, I think it was sometime last year or so. Patricia Bright, I think it's either last year or this year. I'm going to just check, but yeah. So this is a recent collaboration with Makeup Revolution and Patricia Bright. If you do not know who Patricia Bright is, Patricia Bright, why is her name such a handful? Patricia Bright. Patricia Bright. Patricia Bright. Ugh. So Patricia, like her name is such a tongue twister. Patricia Bright. Patricia Bright. Patricia. So anyways, if you do not know who Patricia Bright is, Patricia Bright, PB, can I just call her PB, like, so that my tongue does not cut? So if you don't know who PB is, she is a Nigerian British YouTuber based in the UK, I think. Yes, she's based in the UK. So yeah, she did a collaboration with Makeup Revolution and this palette. I think there are actually two eyeshadow palettes, this one and the other one. I'm going to insert a picture of the second palette here. So yeah, she came out with two eyeshadow palettes with she came out with two eyeshadow palette collaborations with Makeup Revolution, and I was lucky enough to get one of those palettes. Now this palette has been out since I think last year or so a lot of people have actually started using it, but yeah, hey, I'm gonna do my own review. So yeah, so anyways, yeah, this is my first time. I've actually not used this palette, but I have opened it because I was like, when it first came, I was like, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. So yeah, I haven't used this palette at all. So we're just going to be, even though I've seen the colors and I'm like, I'm just going to be opening it up for you guys for the very first time. So or I'm opening for you guys for the very first time. For me, it's not my first time because I've seen what's in the palette and it's so beautiful. So anyways, let's just quickly unbox this eyeshadow palette. So guys, this is the packaging. This is how the packaging of this palette looks like. It's a very nice white background with Patricia Bright's name here written boldly, and this is the Rich in Life. This is the Rich in Life eyeshadow palette. So yeah, so these are the shades of the eyeshadows that are in this collection, which are like the shades, the shadows are so beautiful. Like when I opened it, I was like, oh my goodness. Like, so let's just quickly open it up. Let me show you guys what the eyeshadow palette looks like. So guys, this is the eyeshadow palette. Like, one thing I don't like about this eyeshadow palette is the fact that it's white. Like, when you're doing makeup, there is no how that anything white remains white, like when you're doing makeup. So this is kind of a little bummer that the fact that it's white, but the kind of white it is, it feels like something that can easily be cleaned off. Like you can easily just take like maybe a little wet wipe or something and just, you know, clean it up, or a little soap and water and clean it up. So it's not too bad it being white. But I'm not a big fan of eyeshadow palettes that are white, like they stain so fast. So anyways, this is what the eyeshadow looks like. This is how it is. It's so beautiful. Then the back is now gold. Oh my god, like guys, can you see that? Like it's like a reflective gold, which is like gorgeous, like so pretty. So this eyeshadow palette comes with 28 shades of eyeshadow. So I'm just going to open up this goodness so that you guys can see what it looks like. Oh. Guys, and let me introduce you to being rich in life. Like, oh my goodness, can you see those colors, guys? Like, these colors are amazing. Like, there's every shade, any shade and every shade you want to use for an eyeshadow palette is in here, which is something I really like. Like, she really touched on every single like spectrum or whatever you want to call it for eyeshadow. So any shade or any shade you want to use to create any eyeshadow palette, it is in here. So one thing I like about this eyeshadow palette is the fact that it has names on it. Like the names of each of the shades are on the eyeshadow palette, which is quite nice. Like I like when eyeshadow, so like let's say I'm doing a tutorial or something, I don't need to like be looking for maybe the packet or the leaflet or whatever to be looking for the shades of eyeshadow. So I like the fact that the names are actually on, the names of the shades are actually on the eyeshadow, which is like a plus. Like that's awesome, that's amazing. So like I was saying, this eyeshadow palette, it has every range, like any shade or any color you want to use to actually create a look, it's inside this eyeshadow palette. You can create neutrals. We have the neutrals, you know, these two shades, these two steps are like neutral eyeshadows here and here. Then we have like the shimmery shades going into like the cool tones with this blue, you know, and then the warm bright tones down here with some cool tones. So it actually caters to every, like whatever mood you're in when it comes to eyeshadow application, whether you're in the mood to go bold or not. I think this eyeshadow palette virtually caters for whatever eyeshadow mood you're in. So that's one of the things I actually like about this eyeshadow palette. It encompasses every single look you want to create. So and also I like the names that are on it. Like there are some like really nice cheeky names. We have like Extra AF, we have Diamonds for Breakfast, okay, we have Diamonds for Breakfast, we have Booked and Busy, Never Say Never, Superwoman, Risk Taker, Stay Hydrated, Brown Sugar. Like the names are actually like really nice. They're actually nice names. So yeah, another thing I also like about this palette is this gigantic mirror that is here. Like look at how huge this mirror is. Like you don't even have any excuse when it comes to eyeshadow application, because you have a gigantic mirror here, so you can easily apply your eyeshadow, you know, without any fuss or whatever. So yeah, that's one thing I like about this eyeshadow palette, the huge mirror that is here. So yeah, and also like guys, can you see this eyeshadow like really bends? Like it bends so much. Like I'm sure you can pretty much like lay it down. Like it won't even look like a tablet, which is quite cool. It's not a very travel friendly size, because like it's a huge palette, so you can travel with it, but you know it would definitely occupy space. It might not fit into like your travel makeup kit. So yeah, but yeah, you can always travel with it, you know, just find somewhere to put it up. Yeah, anyways, this is just my review. So I'm going to just do like quick swatches of these eyeshadows. So just quick swatches. So this shade is called Date Night. Extra AF. Like guys, can you see? Like, can you see the pigmentation? So I'm just going to, like, for most eyeshadows, the shimmery shades are always like always on point. So now I'm going to try the matte shades, because matte shades are always a problem for some eye, or for most eyeshadows. So I'm just going to quickly swatch some of the matte shades. So this is Try Me. Wow, wow, wow. Can you see that? Wow. Wow. So this is Superwoman. Wow. Wow, the pigmentation is, oh my. So this is Risk Taker. Oh, come on guys, look at this pigmentation. Like, the pigmentations are so nice. The matte shades are very pigmented. I like that. So guys, yeah, so this is my full review.
Lego. It's the original, bad.